project management system. This video tutorial is about stock upload. Construction projects rely on a continuous supply of materials such as cement, steel, bricks, aggregates, and electrical fillings. Whenever new stock arrives from suppliers, it must be recorded immediately. If incoming materials aren't updated in the inventory system, stock levels become inaccurate, procurement decisions are affected, and project teams may either overpurchase or face unexpected shortages. The stock upload module in Supista PMS simplifies this process by allowing you to quickly record incoming inventory and automatically update stock levels for the associated inventory item. Let us see how. From the navigation menu, you need to go on inventory and then click on stock upload. As you can see, a tabular view appears. To create a new stock record, you'll click on create. And as you can see, a form will appear where you need to fill in the relevant information: date, movement type, which chart of inventory does it belong to, inventory in quantity, inventory out quantity. Let me show you how. For example, I'll fill in the date for today, then movement type, let us say inventory input, charts of inventory. Here I'll select, for example, let us select diesel, then I'll just fill in the quantity, let it be 20, and then I'll simply click on create. As you can see, a notification was shown, and then when we go back here, we are able to see that this stock was created just now. So Pista provides you with many features. For example, if you want to pin a column, for example, if I want to pin inventory code, I can simply just click on this button and pin it. And then when I scroll, as you can see, this column will stay stuck, and then I'll be able to view all of the information against it. So Pista PMS also provides you with filters. For example, if I want to see uh, stock uploads for only a particular item, suppose let us say diesel, I'll simply type in diesel, and as you can see, the records have been filtered out, and now I am only seeing stock which has inventory name diesel. To reset, you can simply click on any of the crosses and it will be resetted. So Pista also provides you with advanced table options. For example, if you scroll further, you are able to see available quantity. For example, if I want to see the total sum of this available quantity of all of the records, I'll go on aggregate. I'll scroll until I find my desired column. As you can see, it has already been set to sum. And then I'll simply apply on click changes. As you can see, I got a sum of all of the available quantity records available. If I want to see, let us suppose average, then I'll click on average and apply changes. And then as you can see, here average is being displayed. And just like this, you are able to see all of the stock upload records that you create. If you want to ever export this data, you are simply to go over to this button and from here click on CSV export. As you can see, the file will be downloaded. Basically, the stock upload module enables construction companies to record incoming material quickly and accurately. Since every stock upload is directly linked to a charts of inventory record, inventory quantities are updated automatically, eliminating manual stock calculation and ensuring that procurement teams, site engineers, and project managers always have access to accurate inventory information. With stock upload in Supista PMS, every material received at the warehouse or construction site is recorded against the correct inventory item, keeping stock levels accurate and up to date. This is it for this video. Thank you very much.